Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to reset end-to-end encrypted chat PIN code on Messenger. So what you're going to do first, you're going to just go ahead and open up your Messenger, okay? And you're going to open up the Messenger to another phone. So let's have an example. You open up your main phone and you want to log in with Messenger, and suddenly you forgot that PIN, right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just enter the messenger from your another device, and you're gonna click the three bars at the top left, and you're gonna click the settings gear at the top right next to your name. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead into the privacy and safety, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here end-to-end encrypted chats, and basically you're gonna be able right here to see message storage. And what you're gonna see after you turn on the storage or the message storage, you're gonna be able to see an option that allows you to see the reset for your for your PIN or for your PIN. And basically you're gonna be able to create your own. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.